3D model tab, look at the sketch panel. It's start 2D sketch. Do not choose start 3D. Start 2D sketch. Notice that these planes come up, okay? These planes correspond with front views, side views, and top views. Notice that the default view, if I click home, is isometric. Best practices, we want to start in the front view. That is going to be the XY plane right here. Notice that the side view is the YZ, and the XZ plane will show the top view. So we want to start on the XY plane in the front view. And this is going to bring up our drawing options, our sketch options, and all this. Think of this as a coordinate grid, okay? This right here is the origin. This is your 0, 0 point. You want to start your sketches on the origin point. That is best practices right there. Start them on the origin and it will ground them there. So a basic sketch is, we're going to come over to line, and I'm just going to show you how to draw a basic square or something. And I'm going to click line. Notice that yellow dot. I'm going to start on the origin. I click once to place. Now let me show you good practices here if you already know your dimensions. Click once to place, move it in the direction you want it to point. You see right here, I have a couple of things. You see that you're going to have your dimension highlighted, and here you have the angle that it is relative to the 0, 0 axis. Best practices for creating a well-constrained sketch, if you know the size of your line, is to go ahead and just point the line in the direction you want to go, hit the length of the dimension. I'm going to choose 1 inch in this case, and then just hit enter. And notice that it draws a 1 inch line. Notice that I'm still drawing a line as well. So it's not going to just end the line command. So I've chosen 1 inch. Now I'm going to choose, let's just say, I'm going to do 0.5. And then I hit enter and it does my next line. I'm going to just come down here. It will auto snap to important places, but you can still customize that and change it. So I'm going to put 1, and then I'm going to put it back in this direction at a 90-degree angle and select 0.5, enter. All right, but with that, we've completed a box. It's noticed that it's all purple. That means it's fully constrained, aka everything is good and it's not moving anywhere. I'm still drawing lines. Here's one of the most important keys in Autodesk is the escape key. If you hit escape, that backs you out of everything and takes you to the home screen, or takes you to kind of your base view. All right. A couple of other important things. If you have a mouse, the scroll wheel will zoom in and out. And if you click the middle button, and click hold, you can pan around. Honestly, those 2 things alone are worth it enough to have a mouse. The pan over here as well. All right. You can select and you can still do it. All right. You can use zooms here. You can zoom all, zoom for the whole window, rotations and things like that. But those are kind of your basic commands and kind of how to get started on it.